Hey everybody, this is VA Declassified. So, two things. Want to let you know about some education, right? As bankers and brokers, we constantly are loving on you, rightfully so. We're constantly giving value adds to you, rightfully so, because you typically are the ones who go to the clients, the consumers, the veterans to find the business, right? And then we source to you, and then you give it to us. What the feedback or the need is from our borrowers, from our clients, and from you is please give us some data, some education, consumer direct. So VA Declassified, we're going to be releasing that literally for the next year. You're going to have data, you're going to have content, you're going to have value add to give to your veterans and your clients. So that'll be released soon. The thumbnail will kind of give you an idea what it'll look like a little bit. But honestly, we've seen so many changes just in the first 3 months of this year. I got to bring you up to speed because literally I've not seen anybody talking about this. So first off, it's a myth. Appraisals in VA takes long, right? Way longer than conforming everything. That's a lie. That's a myth. Actually, we use VA and the speed of VA to win a transaction down south. So in certain markets, it's taken up to 60 days to get a consumer or a conforming appraisal back, FHA appraisal back. 2 months, right? It's so busy right now. Well, the awesome news with VA is 15 business days guaranteed. 3 weeks, appraisal has to be back per VA rule. So literally, down south, conforming offer 60 days, 30-day close with VA because we had a guaranteed 3-week turn. We won it with VA. Faster appraisals. I know it's weird. Transfers completely changed. So as you're probably aware of FHA, when that appraisal's done, it stays with the property for 6 months, no matter who the buyer is, right? VA used to be the same. So now it only follows that transaction. So let's say borrower, you get a no from brand X lender because they're not as good, they didn't actually do their work, whatever. Happened recently. I step in to save the day because we're good at VA. That appraisal guarantee is going to get transferred to me. Same transaction, same borrowers, no problem. Transfer from lender to lender, you're golden. What's changed though, it used to be you could, let's say, transaction rescinded, bring in a new buyer, right? Well, it used to follow the property for 6 months. That's not the case anymore. We were able to sweet talk the VA and reassign that first lender before, but that's not a given. So we had a transaction rescind, new buyer coming in, we knew what the value was, VA, new buyer's VA, sweet talk the VA into doing it. Doesn't usually work that way. So again, plan on a new appraisal typically on that, okay? We need to self-police, so way you can help. Last thing on appraisals, okay? If they're coming in late, if they don't declare tidewater, meaning 3 days before close, they're supposed to say it's not hitting value or the appraisal is being turned in. If they're just rude, please have the clients report that to the VA, okay? We have to self-police. All right, all of the COVID extensions on VA, a lot of them expired as of April 1st. So just so you know, just 7 days ago, a bunch of the things we've gotten used to specific to COVID and VA are gone. So first off, there's no exterior only appraisals. So if you've got an issue on the inside of the house and you're thinking COVID, I'm gonna call them COVID, that's gone as of April 1st. So if your lender doesn't know, if they haven't told you if that's the plan, it's gone. It's not gonna happen anymore. They're gonna go inside, they're gonna go outside, they're gonna do the normal inspections. In terms of MPRs, right? The minimum property requirements for VA. There's no holdbacks for those anymore. We can say COVID, can't be done. The only time we're gonna get a holdback and post-close fix of that is weather related. So like when we had that storm, ice cold, tons of rain, there's no way you can paint, it's just not possible from a construction standpoint. I was able to get around that because of weather. That's the only way you're getting that holdback though for an actual MPR, okay? There's no construction, VA construction's off the table. Some good news though, Reno came back as of April 1st. So same thing, COVID restrictions, that's back live again. Lastly, credit scores. Even though per rule, no minimum FICO score for VA, effectively 640 is the minimum effectively today for thumbs ups. And just knowing pricing, 640 to 659 is about 3.5% rates. The second they just get to 660, just a 660, right? Not a 760. I'm saying 2.5, 275 today. So just way more leverage, no MI, zero down. So if they have a 660, 2.5% rates. So hope you have a blessed day. I'm excited to tell you VA Declassified is almost live, and every single week on Thursdays, you're going to see a new edition of that one. So hope you have an awesome day. Talk to you soon. Bye.